Hey everybody, Dean Rubino here with Windows Central, and this is the Razer Huntsman Signature Edition. It is easily the most over-engineered keyboard Razer has ever made. It shows up in a massive presentation box with vegan leather sound dampening mat, magnetic feet, a PVD polished metal keycap. The whole thing feels like an unboxing of a luxury product. The keyboard itself is bigger and heavier than the regular Huntsman Pro TKL 8K. Instead, you're getting a CNC milled 6063 aluminum chassis plus hand-polished PVD metal accents. The entire bottom is like a mirror, and I'm told it takes 50 hours of polishing per keyboard to achieve this. It's pretty ridiculous. It's built like a showpiece, and only 1,337 of them exist. Inside are Razer's Gen 2 analog optical switches, factory calibrated for true 0.1mm precision, rapid trigger, snap tap, and full 8,000 Hz polling. But the Signature Edition adds multiple foam layers, a rubber sheet, and individually lubricated switches to completely change the sound and feel of this keyboard. In fact, we can compare it to the regular Razer Huntsman for sound, so let's do that now. So there you go, there's a quick look. If you want more information, you can head to Windows Central for my full review of this keyboard. And yes, it costs $499, and it is limited edition, so make sure you act fast. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.